In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive or active again in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're trying to organize your accounts and trim down the ones you're no longer using or want to reactivate an account that you previously deactivated, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. To get started, head over to the QuickBooks website. You can simply do a quick search on Google for QuickBooks Online and click on the official site link. Once you're on the website, locate and click the Sign In button to access your QuickBooks Online account. As you sign in, use your credentials to log in. Make sure you have the right account information handy here. If you've forgotten your password, you'll find options to recover it right on the login page, so don't worry. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, direct your attention to the menu on the left of your screen. Click on Transactions. This is your command center for all things related to the financial transactions that run through your company. From there, navigate to the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your entire accounting system. Here you'll see a compiled list of every account your business uses to categorize its transactions. If you're looking to set an account as inactive because, say, you're no longer using it or simply want to declutter your accounting view, locate the account you'd like to make inactive. You'll notice an arrow down icon next to each account name. Click that to reveal more options. Among these options, choose Make Inactive. This action helps reduce usage, especially if you're trying to stay within certain limits on account usage. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this decision. Clicking Yes, Make Inactive will finalize the deactivation. This action doesn't delete the account, it only hides it from your active view. The account and its past transactions remain accessible from your reports should you need to review them. If at any time you need to reactivate this account, perhaps due to a future need for the information or transactions, you can easily change its status back to active. Just return to the Chart of Accounts, look for the inactive account, click on it, and then choose Make Active. This step brings the account back into your active roster. That's it. Now you've learned how to make accounts inactive or active again in QuickBooks Online. This process is a handy way to maintain clarity and organization in your accounting system, keeping your business operations smooth and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on how to optimize your use of QuickBooks and other business tools. Thanks for watching.